Hey guys, I'm back with another recipe on my Thanksgiving series with these delicious Southern baked candied yams. Y'all, these were so good and so easy to make. Let's jump right in. Here I have my two extracts that I'm going to be using: lemon and vanilla, white sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and salted butter. I'm going to show you guys real quick how I peeled my yams. I use a vegetable peeler. If you don't have a vegetable peeler, you can just use a paring knife. Just be sure to be really careful. Then I'm going to cut them in about 1-inch pieces. Whatever size you choose, just make sure that they are uniform in size so that they can all cook at the same time. Next, in a heavy saucepan, I'm going to add the butter, both sugars, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, both of the extracts, and 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to cook that on low heat until the butter is melted and everything is well combined. Then I'm going to arrange half of my yams into a baking dish and pour half of the butter mixture over the yams. Then add the other layer of yams and pour the remaining butter mixture. After that, cover it with foil. You want to make sure you don't skip this step because you need the yams to cook through. I'm going to bake this for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees, and then I'm going to uncover it and bake it for an additional 40 minutes. Y'all, these were so good. Please give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Later.